Season 2 ends where Season 1 began, with Superman. In 1938, two young artists sign away a hero for $130. Decades later, their heirs argue in federal court that the law lets creators take back rights, and the fight reshapes comics law forever. Myth: Siegel and Shuster were foolish to sign. They were 20-something freelancers in a new medium with no template for billion-dollar characters. The mistake is systemic, not personal stupidity. After the initial sale, the creators fight repeatedly: credits, pensions, public sympathy. Shuster drifts into obscurity. Siegel writes letters and lawsuits. Fans learn the human cost behind the logo on the lunchbox. Congress creates termination rights, a legal window letting authors or heirs reclaim copyrights they transferred years earlier. The goal: rebalance power when a work becomes a jackpot the original deal never priced. Siegel and Shuster die. Their heirs inherit not just memory, but legal standing to argue the Superman copyright should partially revert. DC/Warner counters that work for hire and prior settlements block the claim. Judges parse 1930s contracts, later amendments, and corporate mergers. Each ruling shifts millions in licensing value. Comic fans suddenly read footnotes about authorship while studios read balance sheets. Courts grant partial wins, certain eras, certain rights, certain revenue shares. Then appeals rewrite the scoreboard again. Nobody gets a clean reset. The hero stays on screen while lawyers divide the past. Settlements arrive with confidentiality. The public sees headlines: heirs compensated, corporate control largely intact. The exact numbers hide behind NDAs. The moral argument persists even when the docket closes. The Siegel-Shuster saga teaches a generation to hire lawyers early, document creation, and understand termination windows, not because every creator will sue, but because every hit might outlive its first signature. 10 episodes, one thread. Comics reward imagination on paper and reward lawyers in court. Underground routes, creator exits, licensing booms, and heirs at the courthouse. Different paths, same question: who owns the myth? Sale, struggle, termination law, heirs sue, partial wins, settlements. The $130 ghost haunts every modern contract, because everyone now knows what a hero can become. Season 2 complete. Subscribe for more comic history, drawn clearly, told calmly. Read the contract. This is ink and origin.